Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nashley from Nashley.nails on Instagram, and today, honey, we are going to be talking about my basic beginner acrylic kit. Yes, my kit by me, Nashley.nails on Instagram, you heard. But no, seriously, today's video, I am going to release the contents. I mean, they're already on Instagram, but I'm going to visually show you the contents of the kit. And I'm also going to be doing a little tutorial so you can kind of see what you can do with my kit. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're liking the content. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see, because I do want to keep posting nail content. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram at Nashley.nails. I answer all my messages. And you can also check out my website, www.nashley.nails. No, it's not my website. NashleyNails.com. All right, so let's get right into the video. Everybody is buying the kit, so who's next? This is the basic beginner acrylic kit. I do want to mention that this kit is solely for practice purposes. This is not going to include anything that you would need to practice on a real hand or a client or yourself. So let's go ahead and start with the contents. You're gonna get 100 nail tips. I don't know if it's gonna be 2 baggies or 1 baggie, but regardless, it's gonna be 100 nail tips. These are square shaped, and the reason why I put these in the kit, because these are universal, so you can make them stiletto, you can make them coffin, you can make them almond, you can also make them square, like that taper square if you'd like. So it's best to start off with these so you can learn how to shape all of the shapes. It includes 2 full-size buffers. It's going to include 3 small nail art. So in this case, I have some flowers, some gold chrome flakes, and some silver chrome flakes. These can be used to practice encapsulations. These will vary per kit, so not every kit is going to come with the same exact 3 nail arts. I'm also going to include, I'm going to try to do 2 colors and a glitter. This glitter is so pretty, but these are really small. However, they will last you a pretty long time if you're just practicing and not taking clients. And these will also vary by kit as well. They're going to just be random colors actually. But I'm going to try to do 2 colors and a glitter so that you kind of have a lot to play with. Also going to come with a nail glue. This is a full-size nail glue. It's going to bring 1 ounce of clear acrylic and 1 ounce of pink acrylic. So this will be good for you to practice foundational with 1 color, and then the clear is really so that you can try to do encapsulations with the nail art. You can even also try to do ombres with one of the color acrylics and the pink, and then you'll also use the clear to encapsulate that. You're going to get a premium Sophia DeVille size 8 100% Kolinsky premium brush. This brush is actually really good. I'm not even gonna lie. There was definitely brushes that I could have gone with that were a little bit lower quality, but I do believe that a really good solid brush does help your application a lot. It will include 2 practice fingers. These are the ones with the nail tips, as you can see. Some of these practice fingers come without the nail tip, where you kind of like insert the nail in there rather than gluing it on. So these are really perfect for practicing. We're going to get a dap and dish. This is one of the minier ones, but like I said in my previous video, a dap and dish really doesn't matter. As long as it holds the liquid, you are good to go. You are going to get 2 large files. These files are freaking amazing. Recently, I took a class with another nail artist, and these were in her kit. And I went everywhere looking for these because these are my new favorite files. So I'm so happy to be able to include these inside of your kits. You're also going to get a nail tip cutter. These are really good. This is from Satin Edge. This kit also comes with 10 nail displays. Normally, these are used for purposes of displaying color, but really, I'm going to show you guys in a moment how you can use these to stick on a nail tip, practice shaping, practice application, and all that good stuff on here. You are going to get a 2-ounce monomer. Yes, this is not a huge quantity. However, this is my basic beginner acrylic kit. Especially if you're using this small dap and dish, this is going to give you quite a lot of practices in there. And then once you're ready to move forward, you can buy your bigger batch for yourself. And this liquid monomer is EMA, no MMA, and I will put my name on that. I promise I would never give you guys anything that I wouldn't use. Lastly, I'm also going to throw in a sample UV LED top coat. The only thing I don't like about this is that the bristles, it's going to be kind of hard to apply the gel top coat. But since you're only practicing on these fingers, it's not going to be a huge deal. I couldn't afford a fancy big bristle brush thing for you guys, so this will be it. Right now what I'm going to be showing you is how to apply a tip to a nail display tip, and we're going to apply some acrylic so that you can kind of see the rundown of what you can do with my kit. Everything that I have here is in your kit except for these little scissors here. The 2-ounce basic acrylic kit monomers do not come with a lid like this. They actually come with a screw off. So the little tip that I can give to pour your monomer into your dapping dish would be to pour the acrylic like this onto the brush, and then into the brush it'll dip into the dapping dish. Because if you try to do it like that, it's just gonna spill all over the place. Phenomenal. Alrighty, so I hope this video was super helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, definitely leave them down below in the comments. Again, you can purchase my acrylic kit on www.nashleynails.com, or you can contact me on Instagram for information. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.